Whether you're communicating internally with team members or externally with clients and customers, incorrect grammar can cause unnecessary confusion for all parties. Using proper grammar can enhance your professionalism and credibility. Welcome to Knowledgecity's course, Business Grammar, Sentence Composition. This course will help you vary your writing by learning how to form simple, compound, complex, and compound complex sentences, understand and apply the rules for subject-verb agreement and pronoun antecedent agreement, and avoid common grammatical errors like fragments, run-ons, comma splices, and dangling modifiers. Build a reputation as a clear communicator with our course, Business Grammar, Sentence Composition.